Hello, this video is going to look at the importance of an FAQ page for AI optimization and generative engine optimization. So, FAQ page is really crucial today because as more and more users and customers are asking AI common queries such as what time does X business open or what services does X business offer. And now this is really important because if your website doesn't answer these questions through FAQ pages, then an AI can provide an answer that you provide and it will go to a third-party source. So think of AI as always wanting the most efficient route possible. So let's say it does actually crawl your website first, it scans your website and it puts the user prompt as a priority and it looks for an answer. If it can't find an answer because there's not a direct FAQ question to answer it, it will go to a third-party source. And now, a big problem with these third-party sources is that they're often out of date. So an example might be a website that offers quite basic opening times that you might change in your website because you might have special closures, but these websites don't implement these changes. So then AI will pull these opening times that haven't been updated and tell customers that you are open when you are not. Now, as you can see in this website here, we want the FAQ page to be quite easy to find. So for our example, we have it under company and FAQ. So this is our FAQ page. And what you want to be doing is that you want to be thinking as a user, as a customer, and you want to be thinking, what would they ask? Because what they ask is what an AI tries to find in your website. So a very common one to start with is, what does AwarenessAI do? This might be a question that a customer asks and therefore we want to answer it and we want to be the ones that are providing the answer, not a third-party source. So what does AwarenessAI do? What we have done here is that another really important part of AI optimization is to have consistent descriptions across all your platforms. So what we do here is highlighted. And then this is the same as you can see on the hero page here. Because consistency for AI models is trust. Because if you have different descriptions everywhere, how does it know which one to use? And how does it know how to describe your company? It struggles. And as going back to a previous point, AI always likes to be efficient. So back to the FAQ page. How we have structured our FAQ is into different sections. Now these will be used as H2s to show importance, and then we have H3s, heading 3, to show a subsection underneath the H2. So another common customer query might be, what services does AwarenessAI provide? And then under here we have quite basic, saying that we provide Generative Engine Optimisation services, which again links back to what does AwarenessAI do. This is crucial. Now, from there, an AI can see our FAQs and we list each service individually underneath this FAQ. So our 3 services are the snapshot, advanced audit, and the monitoring. So an AI will see this and see that we've had a snapshot, an advanced audit, and monitoring, and it will then pull the text from these and answer the customer query, rather than going to a third-party source that might not know. It is crucial to try cover every single query that an AI model might, a customer might ask. So try to have as many as you can. And then finally, I want to touch on the importance of schema and structured data for all this. So schema is structured data and is machine readable data that an AI can see. It also summarizes the core content of the website, because as going back, AI likes to be efficient. If you don't have schema, AI just sees a massive website with a load of content. If you have schema, it knows what's important. So then if you schema your FAQ questions, so you would schema, in your schema it would say, what does AwarenessAI do? AI can then read that and it goes straight to the most important question. It can then recite that to the customer so you're in control of how it's representing you. And that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.